If you're looking to start a vending business, I got you. Last year, when I started my business, I had no idea what I was doing. I didn't know who I could trust to buy machines from, find locations, any of that. I made a video about my experience with vending exchange. Don't really recommend going with them. It was a big headache, and you're paying for a lead, and there's no guarantee that you'll get placed. You do want to find a location for your machines before you buy your machines. That's number one. I ended up coming across someone that sells machines, but he also has a placement service. I have 2 locations and 3 machines at the moment, and looking to add more here very soon. It's such a low maintenance business. Once you get everything set up, it's really easy to maintain. You can find locations on your own, but it's time consuming. And at the time, I definitely didn't have that time to search for locations. I was teaching full time and had other responsibilities. So it just made sense for me to pay the money for someone to find those locations for me. If you're looking to avoid some of the headaches that I had to deal with when I first started, I lost a lot of money dealing with a vending exchange. I have my brochure that I take when I go to meet with property managers when I'm looking to place machines. Included with this brochure is a product template list so you can edit your products, your prices. I have it as a QR code in here, so when I leave this with the property managers, all they have to do is scan the QR code and they can easily see what I offer and let me know what they like in their machines. Also, with this brochure, I've included the contact to the person that I buy my machines from, and he also has a placement service. If you want to avoid the headache of trying to find a location on your own, he's got you. His contact information is also included with the templates, so you can save yourself that headache. I've been working with him for a year and he is amazing. When you pay him to find a location, he's going to work until that he finds a location for you. He's based out of Houston, but he can work with anyone in the US. He can help you out with machines and with locations. If you would like to fast track your vending business, I've linked my template below. I hope it helps. See y'all next time.